It's always good to eat raw food as much as possible, fruits and veggies. But sometimes when you're busy or in a cold weather and it's hard to find raw fruits and veggies, or people who are transitioning to raw vegan, this is an example of what you can eat. This is a split peas soup, creamy, and raw salad. Cilantro, tomatoes, and strawberries. Soak and drain the split peas. Ground cumin, sage, turmeric, cumin seed, dried bay leaves, hot pepper, no salt, oil, or sugar. Two teaspoons of cumin seed, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 4 dried bay leaves and red peppers, and 2 teaspoons of sage or any herbs, a teaspoon of grounded cumin. I replace rice with the legume family. They have much more nutrition and health benefits than rice. Rice is a filler and doesn't provide any benefits. While you wait for your split pea soup to be cooked, you go about, do your thing, errands and work, and come back later to make your salad and eat it with your warm, delicious, healthy soup. Peas are packed with antioxidants which help build your immune systems. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, anti-inflammatory nutrients in peas lowers the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. It has vitamin A, B, and other great nutrients that we all need. Cilantro gets rid of heavy metals in our body. Like any metals such as aluminum, lead, and mercury, it corrodes and creates rust. It leads to heart disease, hormone imbalance, neurological conditions, and much more. So eat your cilantro regularly. We don't want to get oxidized and get diseases and cancer. Add your cilantro greens with fruit such as tomatoes and strawberries. We eat with our eyes and tongue. I made the split pea soup creamy about a couple days ago. The leftovers I portion up, put into a freezer. When I'm busy and I need a quick meal, I will steam it and prepare a nice salad just like this. Eating split peas food is survival food, just like rice and bread. The only difference is that this soup, peas, has higher nutrition and easier to digest than rice and bread. I'm eating this, but raw food is much better than peas soup. It's very easy to make creamy split pea soup. Put all the ingredients into the crock pot, turn on and let it run, and go about and do your errand. That's how easy it is. Do not add any sugar, oil, or salt. The flavoring from the split peas and the spices is more than enough. Cooked vegan food by itself is not good for the body. Always add your fruits and veggies with them. The herbs and spices in it is very flavoring and gives you a boost of your immune system. And of course, the salad is the best. Some greens are difficult to eat it raw, such as mustard greens, because it is quite fibrous. However, it is delicious when it is steamed. It takes longer to cook the stalk than the leaf. I will put the stalk in the steamer first. In a few minutes, I will then add the leaf. What does the Asian mustard green taste like? It is not as bitter or has a mustard taste as the American version. As most leafy greens, the green part has a mineral flavor and a little fibrous. The stalk is full of water and has a crunchy yet juicy texture, and I love it. The air is clean, the sun is out, the leaves are falling, the temperature is cool, and the food is raw vegan. What more can a girl ask for? Over 7 years ago, there was a small wood bridge over a small creek. Now it is gone. There's not enough water to have a bridge. Let's hope nature is not dying. Only nature can help and support us. No man-made product pill will give us abundance, joyful, long life. On a beautiful day like this, it is wonderful to be strong and healthy and have some little time to wander off in a nearby park. Food contributes 75% of our health. We need the other 25% from activity, nature, fresh quality air, and sun to give us vitality, energy, and health. Stay young, stay healthy, only through raw vegan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Better yet, you should subscribe and see how I progress the next 10 years. I plan to do this much longer. Right now, I'm 58 years old. I don't plan to do any drugs or injection whatsoever. This is the natural, real deal. Stay young, stay healthy, only through raw vegan. Now, I need to go back to my yard leaf cleanup. Watch this, my previous video, to learn more.